วัสดีค่ะตอนนี้กำลังรอแท็กซี่นะคะไป Where we going
Grand Palace
ที่ไหนแกนพา
Bangkok. This isn't fair. She gets in for free. There's me got to pay 500 baht to get in this thing. Unreal. There's James and there's Bond. Hey. Alright, so that's us in the palace and it's like 8:30 in the morning and it's jam packed already, man. I mean, check this out. People sprawling from everywhere. But better to come now, really early in the morning than like 12, 1 o'clock in the afternoon because like I've came here before and it's been that time. Insane. You just check this out, man. That's Bob. That's Jeremy. That's Michael. Got that one.
Huh?
Names. There's Fraser. There's Malcolm. There's Joyce. So, darling, what do you think? You shy, you don't want to talk. Too many people. Too many people.
มันสวยมากเลยค่ะ
Yeah, that means it's beautiful, I think. Ah, yeah, I got it right. It's just amazing, man. The architecture in this place, it's just unparalleled. It's so cool. You still loving it, babe? Yeah. It's just crazy, man. Like it's still 8:30 or 9 o'clock-ish. You know the crazy thing is, this is my 3rd or 4th time here. It still blows my mind, and it's still funny to think it's her 1st time here. Absolutely unbelievable. And this is definitely on the itinerary. I want to go and check this out because this one is just a model, obviously. Still pretty cool. And one thing we just found out is this thing's actually in Vietnam or somewhere around that area. Kampuchea. Yeah, this is not in Thailand, but you want to go? Yeah, we'll go. We're 99% sure that's the King of Thailand's house. Especially with all the guards and stuff, you can see them just over there. Check that out. My future house, maybe. Pretty awesome. There you go. Yeah, this is amazing. Mind there's some videos that I've seen on YouTube and the king stands right up there and like addresses all the little minions and people down here. Yeah, it is amazing. So all in all, it takes about 50 minutes to get yourself around the Grand Palace. So now we're going to try and find this, might have seen it before, the Buddha. In Thailand, the big long one that like lies down. I know there's a few of them, but I believe the biggest one is in Bangkok. It's supposed to be near the Grand Palace, so we're going to go and see if we can find that one now. But you have a good time, babe?
Yes,
yeah?
so much.
Yeah, it was good. Absolutely amazing. So yeah, that's my third time here, not 4th time, 3rd time. But this is exactly why you want to come early in the morning. Just check this out. It's just insane, man. So definitely come here bright and early, 8:30 on the dot. So we're on our way in a proper tuk-tuk. Loving it, ain't you, babe? It's our 1st time in one, man. Crazy. Tuk-tuk life. Okay, we just got to the reclining Buddha. This thing is massive, 34 meters long. Check it out, man. It's huge. Yeah, 34 meters long. What do you think of it, babe? This is crazy big, man. Unreal. But another thing is the crowds. It's just packed. Didn't get any time, well, except me. Look at this, all this to myself. But yeah, this is well worth it, and it's just next door to the Grand Palace as well. So just before you get there, look for Wat Pho Temple, and that's this one, the reclining Buddha. So we're at the back end of them now, nice and quiet for once. But the level of detail on this guy is just unbelievable. It's just beautiful. Alright guys, so now we just made it to Tallingchan Floating Market and I've never seen her so happy. Look at that face, man.
Because many food.
Yeah, it's like food central, this place. place is mental.
You want to
Eh?
try 30 baht?
What is it?
Ping roll.
No, that's okay. That looks a bit funky.
That is good.
Best orange juice in the world, man. It's just insane, man. Oh, great sleeping. Oh, more eating. More.
Can I have honey?
I want to.
This one. พูดเท่าไหร่คะ
So the beer's pretty cool. It's not really that big, but it's a good place to stop if you want to get something to eat. And there is an option to, well, yeah, there you go. And there's an option as well if you want to go on like a 2-hour long boat cruise, long bail. Yeah, but pretty cool. Definitely recommend it. It's not too far away from like downtown Bangkok. I'll actually put the name at the bottom of the screen so you can see exactly what it is called. Because I know my language isn't exactly easiest to understand at all times. Problem being Scottish. First world problems. Anything you want to say?
Tallingchan.
Taling.
Yeah, it's named Tallingchan.
Tallingchan. So Tallingchan.
Tallingchan.
Tallingchan. There we go. But I'll still put it across the bottom of the screen just to save you time and effort trying to understand me.